Tuff Plus is a comprehensive automotive lighting enterprise. We specialize in aftermarket and OEM and ODM sectors, with an integrated production chain covering R&D, design, and manufacturing. We also handle sales and after-sales service. We provide end-to-end solutions for different vehicle applications. Our LED lighting systems serve passenger and commercial vehicles. We also cover motorcycles, agricultural and construction machinery, off-road and 4x4 vehicles, emergency vehicles, material handling equipment. Our business has expanded into a broader spectrum of in-vehicle electronic products. As a Tier 1 automotive lighting supplier, we offer one-stop solutions. These are supported by extensive industry experience. Our modern production facility spans approximately 100,000 square meters. It features high-efficiency dust-free, constant temperature, and humidity-controlled workshops. These include anti-static SMT lines, module production, and assembly workshops. We also have die casting, polishing, automated powder coating, and injection molding. A 2,000 square meter CNAS-certified laboratory supports our quality control. Our 120 engineers excel in optics, thermodynamics, electronics, and structural design. They are skilled in thermal management and software development. Manufactured under IATF 16949 with ERP and MES systems. Our LED lights are approved by EMARC, DOT, CISPR Class 4, and IP68 certifications. Comprehensive environmental and optical testing ensures a defect rate below 0.01%. With patents in the United States, Japan, and Europe, Tuff Plus serves global customers. We remain committed to being a trusted innovation partner in automotive electronics worldwide.